Explore Spain's secret spots for tranquility and relaxation. Escape the ordinary and discover the hidden gems of Spain, where tranquility reigns and relaxation awaits. Forget the crowded tourist traps. We're diving deep into the heart of Spain to uncover its best-kept secrets. Nestled in northwestern Spain, Rías Baixas is a haven of dramatic coastlines and lush green landscapes. Imagine yourself surrounded by the serene beauty of Rías, drowned river valleys that create sheltered inlets perfect for exploration. Picture yourself gliding through calm waters in a kayak or setting sail on a gentle breeze. The charming fishing villages dotting the coastline offer a taste of authentic Spanish life, with fresh seafood delicacies waiting to tantalize your taste buds. The slower pace of life in Rías Baixas is infectious, and the welcoming locals will make you feel right at home. Don't forget to savor the region's famous Albarino wine, a crisp and refreshing complement to the relaxing atmosphere. Venture into the heart of Andalusia and discover the Sierra de Grazalema Natural Park, a mountainous region dotted with stunning white villages. This is where you can truly disconnect and reconnect with yourself. Challenge yourself with invigorating hiking trails that reward you with breathtaking panoramic views. Breathe in the clean, crisp air and embrace the profound silence that envelops this natural sanctuary. Leave the digital world behind and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. Whether you choose to hike through the rugged terrain or explore on horseback, you'll find a sense of peaceful solitude that rejuvenates the soul. Stretching along the Andalusian coast from Tarifa to the Portuguese border, the Costa de la Luz boasts miles of unspoiled beaches. This is a paradise for those seeking sun, sand, and serenity. Imagine yourself taking long, leisurely walks along the shore, the gentle waves lapping at your feet. Bask in the warm Spanish sun, letting your worries melt away with each passing moment. For the adventurous, the strong winds that grace the Costa de la Luz make it a haven for windsurfers and kite surfers. Or discover secluded coves where you can create your own private paradise, far from the crowds. The delicious seafood and laid-back atmosphere complete the picture of coastal bliss. Journey to the north of Spain and discover the Picos de Europa National Park, a majestic mountain range straddling Asturias, Cantabria, and Castile and León. Prepare to be awestruck by the stunning scenery and challenging hikes. Explore charming mountain villages steeped in history and tradition. Keep an eye out for the diverse wildlife that calls this park home, including wolves, bears, and eagles. The opportunity to spot these magnificent creatures adds an element of adventure to your tranquil escape. The Picos de Europa offer a profound connection with nature, leaving you feeling refreshed and inspired. Nestled in the foothills of the Sierra Nevada mountains, the Alpujarra region of Granada offers a unique cultural experience. This is where you can step back in time and discover traditional Berber villages. Wander through terraced landscapes that cascade down the mountainsides, offering stunning views at every turn. Hike through lush valleys, breathing in the fresh mountain air. Explore local crafts and savor the delicious local cuisine, a testament to the region's rich heritage. The Alpujarra region offers a sense of peace and connection with the past, a truly unforgettable experience. Spain's secret spots offer a sanctuary of tranquility and relaxation, far removed from the hustle and bustle of popular tourist destinations. Venturing off the beaten path reveals a different side of Spain, one that is more authentic, peaceful, and rewarding. Escape the crowds and connect with nature in a way you never thought possible. Discover hidden beaches, majestic mountains, and charming villages that will capture your heart. Embrace the opportunity to find inner peace in a vibrant and diverse country. Spain's secret spots are waiting to be explored, offering a truly transformative travel experience. Ready to discover your own tranquil escape in Spain? Start planning your adventure today. Visit our website to explore detailed itineraries, find hidden gems, and book your unforgettable journey. Don't just dream it, live it. Subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and exclusive content. Share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts, and let's uncover the secrets of Spain together.